We are currently living through the most significant technological arms race in human history. Unlike the Cold War, this isn't just about who has the biggest rockets. It's about who masters the invisible. It's about who controls the flow of data through 5G, who achieves the first quantum advantage, and who can deploy trusted AI at the tactical edge. In this race, second place isn't just a silver medal, it's a strategic vulnerability that can be exploited in milliseconds. The battlefield has shifted from physical borders to the very silicon and code that power our world. I haven't just watched this race from the sidelines. As a lead for the Department of Defense's critical technology portfolios, I was tasked with drawing the map. I oversaw the roadmaps for the 14 critical technology areas, from directed energy and hypersonics to the microelectronics supply chains that are the lifeblood of modern civilization. My perspective is bilingual. I understand the rigorous requirements of the Pentagon and the rapid-fire innovation of Silicon Valley. I've seen how we transition a spark of genius from a national lab or from DARPA through to the Defense Innovation Unit and into a program of record. But here's the hard truth. Having the best tech doesn't matter if you can't scale it. Our adversaries are moving with a unified industrial policy, while we often stall in what I call the three valleys of death. Valley 1, lab to prototype, where brilliant research fails to find a use case. Valley 2, prototype to product, where we struggle to turn a cool demo into a ruggedized deployable tool. Valley 3, product to scale, the final hurdle of production scaling and full rate production. In my full session, we'll examine how we are using new tools like the Office of Strategic Capital and AppFit to bridge these gaps and ensure that the next generation of critical tech isn't just invented in the West, but manufactured and deployed by the West and our allies. This is more than a defense strategy, it's a global policy challenge. We will discuss the vital role of international cooperation, from NATO's Defense Innovation Accelerator for the North Atlantic to arms control and how we secure our microelectronic supply chains against global disruption. The race is on. The question is, do you have the roadmap to win it? My name is Maynard Holliday, and I've spent my career at the intersection of innovation and national security. Join me and let's navigate the future of strategic edge together.